welcome to our channel. Today I am going to explain previous JEE Mains bits in ray optics. This lesson is very important for JEE Mains, NEET, etc. Now I am going to explain previous paper 2002. See the question. If two mirrors are kept at 60 degrees to each other, then the number of images formed by them is. If two mirrors are kept at 60 degrees each other. See here, two plane mirrors, the angle between them is 60 degrees. Then find the number of images. The formula is number of images n is equals to 360 by theta minus 1. Here theta means 60 degrees, that is 360 by 60 minus 1, that the answer is 5. This question is 2002. Understand? See the next question. 2005. A fish looking up through the water sees the outside world contained in a circular horizon. If the refractive index of water is 4/3 and the fish is 12 cm below the water surface, the radius of the circle is. See here, refractive index mu equals to 4/3. Depth means height equals to 12 cm. Then find the radius of the circle. We know very well about the fish concept. What is the formula for radius? Radius r is equals to h by square root of mu square minus 1. Here mu means 4/3. Substituting, h means 12 by square root of mu square 16 by 9 minus 1. 12 by 16 minus 9 means 7 by 3. That equals to 36 by root 7 is the answer. Understand? See the next question. This is most important model, lens makers formula. In 2005, a thin glass refractive index 1.5, lens has optical power of minus 5D in air. So the given data is refractive index of glass equals to 1.5 and the power in air, A means air, is minus 5D, D means diopter, unit of power. Its optical power in a liquid medium with refractive index 1.6. So the refractive index of medium is equals to 1.6. Then find the power of medium. Most important model, this one. See what is the formula? The focal length of medium to focal length of air is equals to refractive index of glass minus 1 by refractive index of glass per refractive index of medium minus 1. Substituting these values, mu g means 1.5, 1.5 minus 1 means 0.5, mu g 1.5, mu means 1.6. So 15 by 16 minus 1. So what is the value? 0.5 by 15 minus 16. Numerator 16, denominator minus 1. So this one is minus 8. What is this? The focal length of medium to focal length of air is equals to minus 8. Therefore, focal length of medium is equals to minus 8 times of focal length of air. Given the power of air is equals to minus 5. What is power? The reciprocal of focal length is called power. So 1 by f in air. Therefore, focal length of air is equals to minus 1 by 5. Substituting this value in here, the focal length of medium is equals to minus 8 times of focal length of air means minus 1 by 5, which is equals to 8 by 5. So, the power of medium, it can be written as refractive index of medium by focal length of medium. Refractive index of medium means 1.6, focal length of medium means 8 by 5, which is equals to, it can be written as 16 by, answer is 1 diopter. Most important one, write down. See the next sum. A light ray is incident perpendicular to one face of a 90 degrees prism and is totally internal reflected at the glass air interface. If the angle of reflection is 45 degrees, we conclude that for the refractive index mu is. So what is the given data? Angle of the prism A is equals to 90 degrees, angle of reflection equals to 45 degrees. Then find the refractive index mu. We know that the angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. So here angle of reflection equals to 45 degrees. That means angle of incidence also 45 degrees. So we know the condition, angle of incidence must be greater than critical angle. Angle of incidence must be greater than critical angle. So I value, what is the value of for I? 45 degrees is greater than critical angle. Multiplying both sides with sine. Sine 45 degrees is greater than sine C. Sine 45 means 1 by root 2. Sine C means 1 by mu. Therefore, cross multiplication, mu is greater than root 2. This is the answer. Write down. Next, 2007. Two lenses of power minus 15D plus 5D. So the given data is power P1 is equals to minus 15D, P2 is equals to 5D. Are in contact with each other. The focal length of the combination is. The focal length of the combination is. So we know the formula 1 by F is equals to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. The reciprocal of focal length is called power. So it can be written as power P is equals to P1 plus P2. P1 means minus 15, P2 means 5. Therefore, P is equals to minus 10. P means the reciprocal of focal length is equals to minus 10. Therefore, F equals to 1 by minus 10, which can be written as in meters. So, F equals to 1 by P, 100 by minus 10, that is equals to minus 10 centimeters.